Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to set up a light and dark mode using JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. So this is pretty easy, but at first, it can be a little bit tricky. So to get this done, we just need three files. I need the HTML file, the JavaScript file, and the CSS file. So I'm gonna link both the JavaScript and the CSS in the HTML file. So whenever I run the code, both the JavaScript and the CSS they get depicted on the website. So to do this, we need some extension. I'm assuming you haven't downloaded it yet. So the extension is from here, and the one we need actually is the live server. So I have it installed already. If you haven't done so, just install it on your VS Code and we can go back right into the video. So I'm just gonna cancel it right here. Yeah, so we need three files under your root project, and then let's dive into it. So the first thing on the HTML is to use just use this exclamation mark, to call the code for the HTML. Click on enter, and right from here we need to do two things, two important things actually. So we're gonna link the JavaScript code and the CSS code all inside this HTML, because the HTML is what we're calling on the live server. So if I left click, I'm gonna see open with live server. So when I did this, it's gonna take me to the web page, right? So we can do that on the JavaScript. Head on to the option, right? Same as the CSS is now applicable. So to link the JavaScript, that will be at the bottom, and then the CSS will be at the top. So the CSS usually is in between the head tag, right? So I'm gonna put it right underneath the title, and the CSS is link, usually with the link button, right? And we have the relevance and also the href. And this is style sheet. STYLESSHE, I think is correct. And the href, we have the name of the file, which is style.css. And that is for the CSS, I believe. For the JavaScript, it's usually in between the body tag. So we run the script tag, and then to call the JavaScript, we need to use the source and also the name of the file, which is script.js. And that's it for the setup. So now let's just run the basic. Let me try on the web actually. So let's click on the HTML file and click on the first option, which is open with live server. So let's give it a minute, and so now it's blank because I haven't actually done I haven't run the code yet. Yeah, so let's just cancel it. Let's type h1, maybe hello world, and I'll run it again. So it's here, and so to get right into the switch button, let's use the button. So you're not limited to using a button. It could be an icon. It could be anything you want basically, as long as you can pass in the function that I'm gonna show you guys right now, which is the onClick function. It's an event handler attribute. So I'm gonna give it change background, and so let's say switch. Right, so now we have the button, but we want it to be, whenever we click on this button, it switch the background from white to black, and then also changes the text from dark to light mode, and vice versa. So to make this happen, we go back to the JavaScript, and right here we call the function that we've just assigned on the HTML. And to do that, we have function, the name of the function, which is change background, I believe, and we return it by do. So I'm missing a step. So I'm gonna use is dark mode. So if it's dark mode, I want it to be able to switch to light mode. So to do that, I'm gonna say it's dark mode. I'll set it to false at first, and so here I'm gonna use an if statement. So because we want it to change, right? So if it is dark, we change it to light, and if it is light, we change it to dark. So the if statement is what we use, and here we say it's dark, right? So if it's dark, we have to perform this function, which is document dot body dot style dot now the background color, which is what we want to change, right? And it's gonna equals to so black color. And also want to do something else, which is the text. Remember, so we repeat the same thing, document dot body dot style. Now instead of the background, we use the color. You remember the color is for the text, so it's gonna equals to white, and that's it for the dark mode. And so else, if it's light mode, we want to use this. I mean the same thing basically. So I'm just gonna copy this and we paste it here. But so my voice. Instead of dark mode, we change this to the light to white, right? And this we change it to black. And so we want to switch it back and forth. So it's dark, is dark. So, and that's it. So this is done. As you can see, we have white text here. If I click on it, it changes to black, and also the background switches. So I think that's it. If you want to see more, I can just type in a paragraph and give it a lorem, and so you can see more of it. You can see, and it seems like on first attempt it's not switching. So that is with the JavaScript. It means this should be light, actually white first. So on the first attempt, it has to switch, and black, white. not dark, B-L-A-C-K. So on first attempt it switches. So that is it for the video. Follow for more. Thank you.